Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. Today, let's start as gamers. Steam is the largest digital game store and community platform for PC gaming. So creating an actual free account is quick, and this is the essential first step to buying, downloading, and playing thousands of games. So to get started accessing the account creation page, you want to open your web browser and navigate to the official Steam element. And the official one is called store.steampowered.com. When you click directly in here into the HTTPS, if you're using your own computer, you can check out the information of the computer. So make sure that this one, for example, has the strong connection, secure connection, and we are exactly into the right place. So once we are directly in here into the top right corner of the page, click into the option that says sign in. So I'm going to change the actual language into English. I have changed the actual languages, and now we are into the sign in tab. Since we don't have an actual account, we wanted, of course, to look out the option that says sign up. For this, just scroll a little bit more down and click here where it says create an account, which says new to Steam, create an account. Here it's going to be asking us to enter an email as well as confirm it once again, choose the country of your residence, and here we have the CAPTCHA verification. Then you wanted to accept that you are 13 of age older and agree to the terms of service subscribe and the Valve privacy policy. Once you finish with this element, what I need to do now is to hit into the option that says continue. Now here it says that we needed, of course, to wait for the verification email. For that, I needed to go and open my Gmail account. Directly here into my Gmail, I'm going to sign in. I'm going to select here the new Steam account verification. Here it says verify my email. I just click directly here into the email, and it's going to be really important that you open this Gmail in the same browser that you're currently using, otherwise it just won't work. Now it says create your actual account. You can choose the Steam account name and choose an actual passcode. Then I hit into the option that says done. And just like that, your account should be created in no time. So you must confirm, of course, this element, and of course when you return to the Steam website and set your final credentials, you complete the sign up and you're actually good to go. To play some games, you needed your desktop application. Of course, what you needed to do is to choose this option that says install Steam. When you click into install Steam, this will be popping up this new section that says Steam is the ultimate destination for playing, discussing, and creating some games. So I choose the option that says install theme, and this will be displaying this new element that says Steam setup. So I just needed to click directly in here into this installation executable. I wanted to go for the option that says yes, and here I wanted to go and choose the language, let's say next, and hit into the option that says install. Since I have already been installed at this element, in my case I will skip this part, but you go ahead and continue with the option that says install. This will be displaying this element that says install. So in my case, I'm going to hit into the option that says Steam, and this will be popping up this new section that says Steam, and we are now actually inside the actual element of Steam. The last thing to do, let's say for example that you wanted to add people directly into your Steam library, so you wanted to invite them and play the exact games, and you can play games from other. You can go directly into the upper right corner that says account details, go for family group, and you can invite somebody else. So into my list here, I can choose which one I would like to add. I select my user and I hit for the option that says install. Of course, this person must be inside your friends community, so you must be friends with this one before you wanted to add this directly into the family member. This is how we can actually get started with using Steam. So with this being said, we have now reached to the very end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools on how we can get started with this Steam and so much more elements. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.